Hello YouTube community, and thank you very much for tuning in again. My name is Matthias, and today we are going to look at some test footage from this baby here, the NEMO Underwater Drone. Coming up. So on my recent trip to Egypt, I had plenty of time to test out the NEMO Underwater Drone, which is made by the company Aquarobotman. Now, all the footage that you saw is not edited, it's straight out of the camera, and you can make your own opinion on whether or not you like what you've seen from that footage. Now, I'm not going to go into any detail about what I think about the footage. I will make another video coming up in a few weeks where I'll do a proper review on the NEMO Underwater Drone, including discussions on the footage as well as the handling and everything that goes along with it. But for now, this is it, and I hope that the video was useful to you in terms of seeing the original footage that comes out of the NEMO Underwater Drone. Now, if this video was useful to you, if you got something out of it, please do not forget to hit that like button. It really does mean a lot to me, and also consider subscribing to my channel if you're interested in seeing the full review on the NEMO Underwater Drone, which will be coming out in a couple of weeks. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you next Sunday.